Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off screen rotation on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To turn off screen rotation on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is scroll at the control center, expand it, then you should see auto rotation or portrait. Press and hold it, then turn on auto rotate, then locate either home screen, lock screen or voice call screen and toggle off whatever you want to turn off like this and click on done. However, to turn off all screen rotation on your Samsung, just toggle off auto rotate, click on done. Then you should see auto rotate change to portrait. Now if you try to rotate your phone screen or your phone app screen or your phone home screen, the screen rotation is not going to work like that. So that is exactly how to turn off screen rotation on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.